Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I need you to get to your Google page and I need you to choose the apps, and I want you to find Google Slides. When you launch Google Slides, we are going to use it to make a cool presentation about Computers 1 and about how to use slides effectively. You can see here there are many awesome templates and even more in the template gallery, but for this project today, I want you to simply start a blank slide. Change the name to Computers 1 and then put your initials after it, and then click to make the title Computers 1 as well. And down below it, let's put our names. So I'm going to put by Mike Harmon. And then this is one of the most fun things about it. You can immediately click the cool theme and take what was totally white to something really cool and jazzy, and with one click you can swap it to a different one. So find one that you think is interesting, and then we'll continue with adding another slide. To create our second slide, let's click the slide button and let's do new slide. It drops in a blank one that looks just like the first one, but let's change it by applying a layout. For our layout, let's choose the title and body. On this page, let's talk about typing. In the box below typing, add the following. We used a program called typing.com. We learned that posture was important and that with practice, our skills would improve daily. If you have an extra sentence, you may add it as well. If not, that is fine. We're going to squish this to half screen by squeezing it across. And then let's insert a picture or an image. And let's see if we can search the web for one. When the box appears, let's type typing and find one image that you think is interesting. I want something cartoony, so I'm going to try typing cartoon. And then I'm going to add that image by clicking it and inserting it. Once it's in, we can arrange it so that it shows the way we want, and our typing slide has been created. I'm going to click below our paragraph and I'm going to add a link to it like this. Start by typing. You can visit typing.com with this link, and then in a new tab, type typing.com. Grab the URL from the top and copy it. Return to your presentation. Grab the with this link, choose the link button, and paste that link in and apply it. If you have another typing program that you like, you can add a second sentence where you tell your viewers how to get to that typing page as well. If you're looking at your presentation and you're disappointed that this slide is white, you can double check other ones to see if you like them better, and notice it automatically changes the entire thing at the same time. It's just a cool way to adjust on the fly to get it to look exactly like you like. Let's make our next slide about Google Docs. Once again, we're going to do slide, and we're going to do new slide, and we're going to stay with the same style. But up here we need to type Google Docs. In the Google Docs area, let's use a bulleted list to tell people what we learned in Google Docs. Make sure you add all of the following, because we worked on fonts and styles, numbered list and bullets, tables, adding images, inserting Google Drawings, using the Thesaurus add-on, adding a bibliography with EasyBib, and sharing with others. Let's shrink this down, and then let's actually insert a picture of one of our favorite Google Docs. You can find whichever of your projects you thought was coolest. I'm going back and getting my one with the pictures, and then I'm going to change the view to only 75% so it's smaller, and I'm going to use one of my other favorite skills, Nimbus, to capture the project. When you've got the project selected, save it. Once you've taken your screenshot, simply choose Insert Image, Upload from Computer, and then we want to look at the Downloads folder so we can find our cool image, and then squeeze it in beside our project so we can show off one of the cool things we learned. We're going to call this the end of part 1 of our slides project. Since it's a slideshow, if you hit Present, you'll see that it switches between the screens. I'm going to go back to slide 1. And this is what it would look like if it was presented. If you press the space bar, it moves to the next slide. If you click on a link, it will allow you to go there. I'm going to go back to it, and I'm going to hit space bar again to go to our last slide. That is how you use a presentation. Down at the bottom, I'm going to exit the slideshow. Because it is a Google Slides project, it is automatically saved. You could share it, but we're not done, so let's not share it. Thanks for watching, friends. If you found this useful, please click the like button. If you haven't hit subscribe, please hit subscribe. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.